Let's go, guys. 43, 43, 43. Come, come, come. Oh man, come.
What up, what up?
Hello. Push कर दे. I want to try this one. ये क्या है?
ये स्वीट से खाओ.
Wow. Yummy. Yummy, huh? क्यों है? ठीक है ना? ट्राई करो ना.
क्या प्लेट है लगेगा?
Are we having fun? Oh my God. You've not had enough to drink. Are we having fun? No, do you like doing this? Do you enjoy doing this? Well, if you show me the money, we... Now guys, I've been in the group 4 months and you have been all incredible. So give yourself a round of applause. Guys, I just want you to show me the money. That's it. So, it is about working hard, playing hard, and showing us the money. But I want you, more than anything, I want you to enjoy what you do. If you don't enjoy, don't do it. I really want you to enjoy it, and I want you to grow. I want you to show me the money, but I want you to show yourself the money. Thank you very much, guys.
Awesome. You know, exactly 1 year back, and exactly 1 year back, when we signed the budget, I had imagined in my mind that after 1 year, I want to be in a position that I call everybody for a month to celebrate amazing performance. And that's the occasion to me because I imagine this day very, very clear in front of my eyes. And thanks to every single one of you today, we are here and just celebrating. Thank you so much, guys, and please enjoy this evening. You guys deserve it, and I'll see you tomorrow, or not tomorrow, on Monday. Tomorrow and Monday. And please have a nice time. Thank you very much.
Oh, look, guys, as our party, go party. Guys, our party is finished, right? Now we're leaving. Hello. Finish party, right? How is your party?
It was very amazing. Actually, we have had a lot of fun.
And
Now we are leaving.
okay. Mr. Greg,
Yes.
how was your party?
Oh, the party was amazing.
Amazing.
I had little to drink. Amazing.
Party was amazing. Thank you, GMG.
Thank you, GMG.
But light, no light.
Oh, okay.
Sasa nilinunua baiskeli nanunua mani gari. Hiyo hakuna mtu ananunua baiskeli hapo mwenye hana gari. Ni ngumu sana. It's extremely hard.